Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find terminal 87, also known as circuit 87 fuses and relays, where they're located. We'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes C-Class known as generation W204. Stay with us, we'll cover that. If you have a problem with that Mercedes, guys, drop a comment below. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make that video for you and save you as much money as we can. We already have hundreds of videos on that Mercedes C-Class on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check them out if you need help with anything. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the terminal 87, also known as circuit 87 fuses and relays, are located under the hood. We need to open the hood, and Mercedes made it convenient to where you can push on it more on some models and open it all the way. You guys have one fuse box that has hidden fuse boxes. It's a hidden fuse box, and you have many hidden fuses that are very important for the normal operation of the car. That's why we recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location and diagram on Mercedes W204. Many people told us we saved them a bunch of money and headache as well, guys, because it's quite hidden, guys. So if we come here on the driver's side, you see that there's a brake fluid reservoir. This fuse box everybody knows about, guys. You need to open the clips and just pull the cover up. Underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay, right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your ohm resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So guys, here we need to check, okay, 2 fuses, 2 relays. Make sure you stay until the end. The fuse numbers and the fuse numbers usually will be printed on the left or right side next to the fuses. Fuse number 1 that we need to check is fuse number 23, that 20 amp fuse, and you need to check fuse number 24. These 2 fuses are very important fuses for terminal 87, also known as circuit 87. What about the relays, guys? Okay, 2 relays will need to be checked. One is relay O, right here, this relay, and you need to check relay R. We're talking about a relay in the back, right here. Those are the fuses relays that you will need to check for terminal circuit 87 on Mercedes W204. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.